Hello, this is Jim with DC Digital, and today I'm demonstrating a DC-25T-DN-BCD with a adjustable end of period buzzer. And this one's unique, and obviously it's in a NEMA enclosure, which is sealed. Water cannot get into this. There's a sealed gasket all the way around the lid. This one is unique because this customer is using it for a baking oven and to time baking, and this is minutes and seconds, and the BCD switches are inside here. You can see them down here, and you can see this flashing indicating that there's data getting to the main board. But minutes and seconds you can set it for 99 minutes, 59 seconds. Currently I have it set for 10 seconds, and they want to time how long it's been baking, but they're basing it on the door opening and closing of the oven. And so we have a couple switches here that are connected to simulate the door switch, and one is just an override. It just resets it. Say they didn't put them in right, or they need to make an adjustment to the baking, and so they can override it. But I'm just going to demonstrate. Now, when the door is closed, they close the door, they hit this, obviously is the door switch. They close the door and it starts to count down, and if they at any time open the door during it, it cancels the whole process, indicating that they've removed the baking goods. And so what I'm going to do is go ahead and simulate. Okay, so they put the pastries in or whatever, and then they close the door, and then this is going to sound here for 2 seconds. And then giving indication that it has gone past the baking time, it flashes and starts to count back up. I'm still holding the door switch, just simulating that the door is closed. And I'm going to go ahead and release the door switch, indicating that they got the door open and they took out the pastries or whatnot. Also, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate the override. So put a new batch in, the door closes, and then counts down, and oh, they need to open the door, so they open the door, override, reset, put a new batch in. So it does come with a 9-foot oil resistant power cord, 120 volt. To mount it, you need to remove the front cover, and there's 4 holes here that go all the way through the enclosure, the NEMA enclosure, and that allows them to mount it to the wall. So 2.3 inch high digits, and like I said, minutes and seconds you can adjust it for. Again, this is Jim with DC Digital, and this is a DC-25T-DN-BCD that counts back up and has a specific, start stop with a door switch, and it's all in a weatherproof, waterproof NEMA 4X enclosure. Thank you.